Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find the third clue answer for it in the Steam Summer Sale 2022. So let's go find it, and we'll be looking for Bass Ain't Bitten 2022. So let's scroll down a bit. Here we'll be able to see the tabs, and we need to keep changing between them in order to find it. And let's try arcade first. Let's move to the casual instead then. Maybe controller. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.